Hello, I want to introduce Visual Niusha Designer. For developing an IVR system, you have to deep learning VXML code. VXML is voice XML. It's so similar to XML code. Here is a sample of VXML code. It's so boring to write your code in the plain text such as Notepad or Notepad++. You can't debug your code. It's so difficult to debugging your code and get errors. That make us to provide a software to doing this job easily. We call that Visual Niusha Designer. And I want to show you Visual Niusha Designer. It's something like Visual Dial Plan or Visual Studio. And it has toolbox, and there are a lot of tools in toolbox. We call that nodes. And also each node has dynamic properties, and there is ribbon bar for manage your commands, and also menus, and zoom box pane for zooming in and zooming out. Let's go to create our first Visual Niusha Designer project, and after that generate our first VXML code. You can drag and drop each node to Designer canvas, and also you can move the position of nodes. You can zoom in and zoom out. You can make connection between nodes in Designer canvas. The property grid is dynamic and it's different from another for each node. And there are a lot of advanced property in property grid. You can set them. Here is a local parameter for each node. And now I want to add a prompt for play node. Okay. We can align our nodes. Now I want to save my project. I save it to my desktop as a hello world. This is my project folder. The Niusha Designer creates some files and folder. This is our main project. It's XML code. The Niusha Designer using XML to save each project. Now I reopen my project. Okay. And now I want to generate my VXML code. The VXML code generated here by default. But now it's empty because we don't generate it. Okay, I generated the VXML code. Yes. Our first VXML code generated here. It was so simple to generate VXML code with Niusha Designer. And now we want to edit this project and add more nodes to project. Okay, I add record node, I add variable node. I can change connection between the nodes. And after that, I want to declare some variables in my project. I double click on variable node and create variable. We have three kinds of variable: number, string, and anonymous. We declare our variable as a string. Now we set record node property. We set a prompt text. And save it. And now I want to add menu node and set property of that node. We can change connection between the nodes. We add a prompt for menu node. And now I want to generate lexicon and dictionary. Okay, we can declare our dictionary here. It's a WPF project and has good style. It's beautiful. We declare here two dictionary, and we can use these dictionaries another place. And now we save project, and we want to generate XML code, but I get error here. You can trace your error. And now we can use that dictionary and lexicon here. Okay, you can show here. Now you save the project and create your XML code. And now we can open our XML code and see its change. It's very easy to create XML code. And also the menu node create lexicon and dictionary and language model in this folder. We can see the content of these files in Notepad. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.